How to make a note directly from the calculator on iOS 18. Have you ever had the need to make a note while calculating something? Well, iOS 18 brings the option to do it directly from the calculator application. Let's see how. Okay, first of all, you need to open the calculator application. On the surface, it looks almost unchanged, but it has received a lot of updates. The one we are interested in is the one concerning the note. If you look in the lower right corner, you will see a calculator icon. If you tap on it, a small menu will open where you can choose the calculator mode. However, the last option in that sequence is Math Notes. If you tap on it, the notebook application will open where you can make notes. These notes will be in a separate folder, and you can use them like any other. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.